Hello students, welcome back to the second part of the chapter Cell Division, which is meiosis. Before we start this topic, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Meiosis is that type of cell division which takes place during gamete formation in both plants and animals. It maintains the number of chromosomes after fertilization. It takes place in two steps. In meiosis 1, the chromosomes divide into half, that is, they become haploid from diploid, hence meiosis 1 is called reductional division. But in second division, chromosomes do not further divide, so the four daughter cells which are formed at the end are all haploid. In interphase of meiosis, the cell undergoes same stages as mitosis, namely G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. Cell grows in size, activity is maximum, DNA duplicates resulting in the formation of two sister chromatids of each chromosomes. Sister chromatids are the identical copies of a chromosome joined at a point known as centromere. Prophase 1 of meiosis include 5 phases, namely leptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotene and dikinesis. We will study about what happens to chromosomes during these phases, step by step. In leptotene stage, chromatin threads condense into X-form chromatids. This structure of chromosomes is known as bivalent. So a bivalent means a chromosome having two chromatids. As you can see, in zygotene, homologous chromosomes begin to pair up. Each chromosome has two chromatids, so they are known as bivalent, but when homologous chromosomes pair up, they have four chromatids, then they are known as tetrad, and the process of pairing up is known as synapsis. As you can see in the diagram, in pachytene, crossing over between the two homologous chromosomes takes place, which is a process of mixing of genetic material between the two chromosomes. This crossing over takes place at specific points only, known as chiasmata. In diplotene, as shown in the diagram, the homologous chromosomes start separating while still being attached to chiasmata. Dikinesis represents end of prophase stage of meiosis 1, in which chiasmata reaches the tip of chromosomes separating them. After that, nuclear membrane disappear, centriole breaks into two, spindless anasters appear and the cell enters metaphase 1. Dear students, thanks for watching this video. Kindly like this video and also share and subscribe this channel for next videos.